The origins of AgrowPlow began with observation and concern about the devastating effects of conventional cultivation on Australian soils. Traditional cultivation techniques were used to control weeds and produce fine seed beds. Soil was ploughed and cultivated, often many times before sowing. These techniques exposed soil particles to erosion from wind and rain, destroyed soil humus, and resulted in a severe breakdown of soil structure. Continual passes of heavy tractors and machines also led to soil degradation and the forming of an almost impenetrable layer of compacted soil beneath the surface. Frequent livestock grazing combined with these factors further contributed to this soil compaction, or hard pan formation. This hard pan barrier reduces water entry and restricts healthy root growth. Hard pans can form at any level in the soil. This hard pan is formed just inches below the surface and forms a barrier blocking water entry and restricting deeper root growth. When soil is compacted and a hard pan forms, helpful soil microbes and earthworms are reduced or eliminated. Pastures dry out faster, become waterlogged more quickly, and plant growth is restricted. The AgrowPlow is designed for root bed renovation in all soil types and conditions. AgrowPlow eradicates hard pans and eliminates vehicle and stock compaction by lifting and separating soil without inversion. Inversion is when deeper soils like clays are dragged to the surface and mixed with valuable topsoil during cultivation. These results show minimum soil disturbance whilst the ground has been opened to allow better water penetration. AgrowPlow aerates the soil, allowing soil particles and microbes to breathe. This illustration shows the results achieved by the AgrowPlow. The hard pan has been eradicated and the soil aerated, allowing plants access to more nutrients. This promotes unrestricted root growth. AgrowPlow does not break down the soil too finely. A coarser soil structure encourages more worms and microbic activity, as well as providing a more suitable environment for building and retaining organic matter. The unique AgrowPlow shank is narrow in profile for minimum disturbance. The entry angle lifts and shatters without inversion. Shin guards for tine protection are standard equipment. Positive shank protection is provided by a rigid shear pin. A spring release option is available for rocky country. Larger trailing model machines have optional hydraulic recoil shanks available. The breakout force can be adjusted up to 2,000 pounds from the tractor seat. Shanks can be fitted with mulch blades, which are V-shaped attachments for weed kill. Furrowers for potato and cotton beds are also available. AgrowPlow features a rugged, fully welded frame design with 100mm by 100mm, 6 and 9mm thick frames on smaller machines. The larger hydraulic shank machines have a generous 150mm by 150mm frame with 9mm of wall thickness. On 3-point linkage machines, an even working depth can be achieved by setting the depth wheels. This setting is made easy with just one bolt and nut. On larger trailing machines, the wheels are set hydraulically. When choosing the model best suited to your needs, a rough guide is 15 horsepower per shank. The AgrowPlow can be used for primary and secondary cultivation. This AP2H 15 shank machine is working with the optional crumble roller. When horsepower is a limiting factor, or in extremely tough conditions, more than one pass may be necessary to break the hard pan. This 7 shank machine is making a second pass in a worked paddock. Regardless of where or what you farm, an AgrowPlow will get your crops off to the best possible start in an aerated, compaction-free root bed environment that promotes better germination rates and improved moisture retention. AgrowPlow, designed and built in Australia for Australian conditions, providing our farmers with a sustainable soil care system for prosperity, while leaving our soil healthier for future generations. For your local dealer, contact AgrowPlow Australia on 02 6845 1566 or visit www.agroplow.com for more information.